It's semi-final 2, Desert Vipers versus Karachi Kingsmen. Karachi Kingsmen take kick-off. Umar with the ball, he passes it in. Oh, there's a shot. Where I should kick it. Is it a goal? And it's a goal. It's a first goal. Shahid with the ball.
The small boy from Karachi looking devastated.
Small boy from the Karachi Kings. Oh, he passes to Ahsan. Will Ahsan shoot? What will Ahsan do with the ball? In his legs. It's still Ahsan. He passes it in. Oh, so close. Oh, so close. He passes it to Umar, but I don't know why does he pass it. Oh, it was close. Desert Vipers have it corner. Will it prove to a goal? Oh, that is too high. Oh! That's a goal! It's a goal! It's a goal! Ahsan does the comeback for the team. Hope still alive for Karachi Kingsmen. Oh, Asher with the ball. Dribbles through Ahsan. Oh, he shoots it, but that is out. Oh! It's a goal! It's a goal! It's a goal! Karachi Kingsmen having the lead now to 2-1. Asher counter-attacking. Will he score a goal and have a tie? It's such a nice block. Oh, Asher with the ball. Oh, a slip. Oh, what will the Shahid do? He passes it in. Asher is not in, but Hadi takes it. Not out. He passes it. Ahsan blocks it. No defense except Ahsan. Oh, will Umar score? Oh, he dribbles through Imad, but then Imad somehow still blocks it. Oh, Shahid fighting for the ball. What will happen? Oh, so nice. VAR decision. VAR decision, no hand. Oh, Shahid shoots it, but it was too high and too wide. Ashish still with the ball, and he shoots and it's a goal. It's 2-2. Shahid with the ball. He does goal kick. He started it, and he shoots it, and it's a goal. Shahid has another banger. 2 score another goal. It's 3-2. Asher. He shoots it, but then it was too far from Umar. Dribbles through 3. No hand. Asher. Oh, Shahid. It is in. Oh, it's saved from Hadi, but Ahsan takes it from Hadi. No goal. Yellow card. Yellow to Imad. Asher. He shoots it. Oh. Shahid shoots it in. Umar gets the ball. And it's out. Last play for halftime. Till halftime. Oh, Asher. Will Asher score? No one in defense. Oh! Asher takes a lead. It's the second half of the second semi-final start. Asher with the ball. They're leading by 4-3. Oh, is it 5-3? No. The match. No one in. Asher having a free goal. Will this be a goal? He shoots it. And it's a goal. Trophy. Asher with the ball. Asher. Dribbling. Asher takes it somehow. Asher taking the corner. Oh! Shahid gets done big. Oh, Umar with the ball. Oh, Asher kicks it out. The ball. Umar is in. He passes to Umar. Will he score? Oh no, he couldn't. It was wide. And no goal. It's a goal. It's a goal. Shahid shoots it in. Ahsan in. Umar in. But Ahsan. Will it get another goal? No, it won't. Asher, he takes the ball in his own hands. He to the ball. Asher standing there. And goal. The score is 6-4. Asher with the ball. He shoots it. And it's out. Asher passes it to Ahsan. Ahsan with no defenders. Ahsan with Ahsan doing 6-5. Ahsan throwing everyone. Oh! VAR decision goal. Oh! Why should I take VR? Okay, it's out. It's 6-5. It will be a very tight match going on in this arena. It's semi-final 2, by the way. Oh, it was in, but no one was in actually. Ashar with the ball. He passes it to Imad. Zoya passes it. What is happening here? Oh, he passes it in. Oh, man, will he score? Oh, Shahid shoots it so out. Ashar. Oh, it was so close. Now Ashar has a free goal. Zoya with the goal. And now it's for sure for. Shahid shoots. Oh, Zoya blocks it. Zoya passes it to absolutely no one. Oh, such a nice performance. Oh, it's a goal. Home back, 7-6. Ashar, she passes it to Umar for some reason. And now Umar against two defenders, Imad and Zoya. They take the ball. No hand. No hand. Ashar shoots it in. No one in. There's about 1 minute left till the match ends. Shahid. He shoots it in. Oh, no goal. No goal. No goal. No goal. No goal. No goal. It's no goal. It's no goal. No goal. No goal. Huh? VR decision. No goal. It was too hard. It's a goal kick. Ashar going full on. So Karachi Kingsmen cannot score. Oh, pass is over. No goal. It's no goal. Shahid still has hope. Oh, Shahid. Oh, what will happen in this half minute? Oh, goal. It's a goal. It's tied. Oh, Shahid someone makes it back. Shahid makes it someone back. Shahid celebrating. The score is 7-7. Karachi Kingsmen are back. And now it's... Oh, Will Ashar scored this. Will Ashar scored this. And... VR decision. Mistake from the captain himself. Ashar gets a penalty. And have the team win. And have a spot in the finals against Alyan, who's waiting right there for the finals. Ashar, calm but serious, takes the free kick against Shahid. And it's a goal! Ashar are in the finals! Ashar's team are in the finals against Alyan. Ashar has a spot in the final. Shahid